We are here at the Graduate in Palo Alto, California. Okay, watch this. So cool how they left this thing completely original. Second ride, all the way up to 6. Look at it, it's going around the cab. You guys can
For
come.
guests?
Oh no, we're just interested in historic elevators.
Oh, cool.
We're just taking a video of it.
No wonder. Here we go. So you just press one of the buttons and then it closes automatically. You can. There's even a switch here. You can like make it manual. So usually, but we don't have an elevator person, so.
Yeah. It's just cool.
Right?
Yeah.
And then B, we're gonna basement.
Yeah.
B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Right.
Excuse me. How'd you guys find out about this?
We've known about it for a little while. We actually met an elevator tech when we were here, like when you guys were first opening.
Yeah.
And he was like telling us all about it.
Awesome. Well, this is us. Don't mind us. This is the employee entrance. All right.
You guys have a good one.
Like 2.
Yeah. This thing is so cool.
Yeah, like attendant without attendant.
Yeah. What would that do? You just hold the button down and it move?
No, it's for the gate, I think. Look at these wall stations.
That is a piece of beauty.